Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible 3LT in torch red on black leather interior. So I'll start over at the trunk area here. I'll let you have a look. So here we are. So decent sized trunk here for a convertible. This partition piece here folds down, which gives you the additional space through when the top is in the up position. Down in the corner here, we've got there's a cargo net and a fuel filler neck down there as well. We've got a 12-volt socket and a light on this side. And I'll go ahead, I'll close this up. Has soft close, pulls itself shut there. Just step back. We've got the chrome badge package. We've got LED tail lights, carbon flash metallic surrounds around the rear lights there. We've got the NPP quad tip performance exhaust. So on the outer ports, there's dampers that open or close to make it louder or quieter on command. So I'll just shift around. Here's your here's your rear wheel. So nice chrome wheel on this. Gray Corvette calipers and nice Michelin tires. At the passenger side, we've got the nice leather on the door with the baseball stitching that runs along, 10-speaker Bose stereo, power electronic door release, power windows, and power locks. On the passenger side, here's the kick plate. It's in pretty good condition. Let me just see, I see one or two minor little marks on it, but they may even polish out. On the seat, we've got power 4 aft up down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the books, so those are there. We've got heated and cooled seat control for the passenger temperature display, and passenger temperature control. We've got the nice baseball stitching that runs along the bottom. There is one little minor mark here, just so you can see. Have a look in the upper dash. There is one mark over there. You can't really, well, there you go. So there's two little divots there, which we'll touch up with a dye to darken it out. It looks like someone placed something up there, but those are there. So we just want to share that with you. This one is 3LT, so it's got the nice Alcantara that runs along the upper portion here. Looks great. So I'll just hop out and I'll close this side up. And I'm just going to step to the back and I'll scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks good. And at the front, there's your chrome badge package. Again, carbon flash metallic vents look great. And there's your front chrome wheel, gray painted calipers, and again, nice Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower with the NPP, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. Looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this one up, and we'll have a look from the front. So here we are at the front. So it's got the nice HUD projector headlights. We've got LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights. We've got the chrome piece that runs along the front. We've got curb view cameras, so there's one there. There's another one on this side, so that's great. And again, the nice chrome badge package and the carbon flash metallic insert for the grille. Have a look at the front end here. Looks good. I'll just have a close look and see if there's anything I can point out. So there's one little mark here, and another very small one right there, and well, that just comes right off, so that's good. So we haven't polished the car yet, so it will look a lot better once we're done. Any of the fine scratches we'll polish out. If there's any other stone chips that I don't see, we'll touch them up. We'll make sure that it looks the best that it can for you. So I'll just shift around. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheel, gray painted calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. So that's great. So over to the driver's side door, we've got that 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got power locks. We've got 2 user memory seats, power exit, and power windows, and our power door release there. And have a look at the kick plate. So a little bit of minor scuffing along it, and there's 2 little indents here. So just pointing those out. Again, we will polish it. We'll make it look the best that it can, but I just want to share with you anything that's there. So there's the power seat, power 4 aft up down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 36,645. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. Just turn off the headlights for a moment and I will show you. There's the heads-up display there on the windshield. So that's great, and that's controlled by these buttons here. Beside that is your power roof. We've got our power mirrors on this side, and we've got our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel here. So that's great. We've got cruise control buttons here. Favorites or track change on this side. Volume controls here. We've got our arrow keys, so when we hit the arrow keys, they control the dash. We've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. You got telephone and Bluetooth controls here. Paddle shifter plus, paddle shifter minus on this side. You've got press button start here. We've got behind screen storage with USB. We'll put that up. Audio, so you got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, an auxiliary line in. Telephone control, we've got projection, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, nav, so there's your full factory navigation. You got weather information, we've got PDR, so performance data recorder. Go to this side, there's your camera, so front curb view cameras, reverse cameras there. Move that out of the way. There's your climate control controls. So when we change this, we have on the screen, there's the driver's temperature. We can also hit sync. That will sync the two temperatures together. Heated and cooled seat for the driver, and heated and cooled seat for the passenger. And again, there's controls there for the passenger as well. Here's your 8-speed automatic shifter, nice baseball stitching, 12-volt socket, and a cup holder, electronic parking brake mode selector. So when we twist that, we've got touring, we've got sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. There is a traction control button there, and electronic parking brake. In here, there's your two USB ports, auxiliary line in, and 12-volt socket. So that's great. So we'll go ahead and we'll put the top up since it's a convertible. So I'll show you that. I'm just pressing the button here. The top can also be put down with the remote, which is very cool. Perfect, so that's up. We'll put the windows up and we'll hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Good sound to it. Nice growl. And I'll just show you, I'll stop here and I'll show you the roof. So you can see the condition, no rips, no tears, looks good. And I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on. There it is with the headlights on, and I'll just scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Nice looking tail lights. There's the exhaust note for you. And again, that exhaust note is adjustable, so that's in track mode right now, so it's a bit louder, but it can be quieter if you like. So there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible 3LT in torch red, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.